guys. At yung iba nga namin mga kasama nakaalis na. So may inaantay na lang kami dalawang bangka para makarating na kami sa Subic ng Matnog, Sorsogon. Ayan, ito na ata yung isa pang bangka na papalapit. Ito na yata oh.
I'm walking down this road of mine, this road that I go home. So am I wrong? Thinking that we could be something for real. Now am I wrong? Trying to reach the things that I can't see. That's just how I feel. That's just how I feel.
So ito na, ito yung isa pang bangka na sasakyan namin, itong Mystica, MBCA Mystica. Ito guys, yung cameraman namin from Tabaco. So ayan.